Am I doing it right? Am I cool yet?
Me.
Hello, I'm Steven Allen. How are you doing today? Hit the subscribe button if you've ever struggled with a mask, and let me know what happened. What's your story? I'm not able to get it to fog up inside. I do have some tips about these things, and I'll get to that. Because of the whole global Peter Parker that happened, I have a whole collection of masks. I have this type of mask here, the fun one, you know, the one that you just Okay, so I can't really breathe through my nose because I'm like breathing in the mask. Ooh, that's difficult. And then I can't really breathe through my mouth because I'm just breathing in it. So this is kind of like a suffocation device right now. Woo! I used to like wearing this mask, but it does not work for me now. Maybe that's the wrong side. Let's try this side. Oh, that's better. Oh, I can breathe in. Okay. Okay, so I had it on the wrong side. So you want the fuzzy side next to you. That seems weird because I'm like, why would you want to breathe next to fuzziness?
Jimmy, I'll talk with you first. The meeting's adjourned.
I have this type of mask here. This, and this is the back of it. And this is the same one, but I modified it a little bit. I'll get to that. I found on TikTok a little method for tying the end of your mask here if you have a mask like this, because often when you put it on, you just have like a bunch of exposed sides and it's ill-fitting. When you do that, it creates a little pocket here so it's easier to breathe, and you don't have it as open on the sides because you tie a little knot. See, this has the little knots on the side to make it easier for you. You see? This is the one I didn't tie the sides. I guess it's not that big of a deal on this one. Is it? I also have my early mask situation, which was not a mask. It was just a pillowcase that I wrapped around my face as if it was the end of the world in one of those types of movies. I had the pillowcase around my face and it was too thick and I couldn't breathe, so then I ripped it in half so it would be thinner and then I still couldn't breathe. So then I had to like create a little pocket for air to come in, so it really didn't do anything for being a mask. That was a struggle time. This one is, it looks nice. It has like a good fit, but the breathing situation is difficult. This one, you can breathe in it. It's just the sides are super open because it doesn't have the best fit. Yes, please just put your fingers all over the mask. Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. And these are nice because they're washable and dryable. Whenever you talk about or feel like you can't breathe as well in a mask, you feel like Karen. Like her. I don't want to be her, Karen. Who is she? Why is she always complaining? I went outside with a mask on, doing what you're supposed to do as a citizen of the, oops, almost ripped it, as a citizen of the world, and immediately I noticed that my glasses were fogging up. I couldn't see and it was embarrassing. It felt like people were staring at me, looking at me like, oh, look at the loser who can't see out of his glasses. So I immediately went to Google and YouTube to figure out a solution for this problem. I don't want to feel losery. What do I do, Google? What do I do, Google? Or YouTube and YouTube, they're the same. So I looked it up and I saw different solutions, and I will go through those solutions now. Are you having fun yet? Put the mask on. Is this gonna mess up my hair? Probably. Probably. How do you even do this? Okay, here we go. 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 Why is this so difficult? Don't be difficult. Doo-doo on your face. There is a tape solution, not a tapeworm, not that, and not like a masking tape, not like this clear tape, not like a gaff tape situation, no. They were saying that you want to use either a bandage, a Band-Aid, one of these, and use this, or some of this tape. I guess, some people are probably using that. I wouldn't use this either. This solution isn't really for me. I'm not even going to demonstrate it because I don't think it's good for you if you can do something else, if you can figure out another way. But anyway, basically you put the mask on normally, and then you take this piece of Band-Aid or tape like this, and you secure it along the edge here, and then you tape it to your face here, on your nose and under your eyes. Now, under your eyes, that is a really sensitive area, and you're going to put a Band-Aid there? That seems like a recipe for disaster. Also, you sometimes have to take your mask off and put it back on. That stickiness is going to wear away very quickly, and then it's going to make your under eyes dry. It's going to irritate. Even if you get one that's for sensitive skin, I don't think they ever want you to put it that close to your eye. So I would avoid doing that. That doesn't seem safe to do with the tape, but you can live your life the way you see fit. Don't be putting tape under your eye. That involves trying to breathe down or to the side instead of getting that hot air from your mouth going up and fogging up your glasses. You want to get it to go in other directions. So when you have like your mask on, boom, you're going to be breathing like this, or like, and no one can see it because you have a mask on. So people won't say like, ew, you're weird, you're breathing weird. No, you're not. You're just doing it in the privacy of behind a mask. That is a solution. It does kind of work, but it is a little uncomfortable. And I don't know how long you can keep that up. And the one time you do breathe normally, your glasses are fogged and you're stuck. Okay, these solutions are B-U-T-T, but. That's not really a solution I found online. That was more of like just something I did as I was noticing my glasses were fogging up. I just naturally was like, let me get the air in other directions, and just started, because I needed to see. It's important to see when you're walking, especially when you're outside. You want to see where you're going. There is another solution of just not wearing glasses. You can take your glasses off. But if you can't see without your glasses on, that's a problem. And also, when you're not wearing glasses and you're wearing a mask, isn't that like you're just not wearing a mask over your eyes? You're protecting this, but not these. Someone can breathe into your eye, ear, nose, and throat, and eye, I would prefer to have some glasses on if I'm outside. I do have contacts, but if I'm outside, I would like to have glasses on, because that's as if you have a mask over your eyes. It's not giving you full protection because, but still, like this, you have something. And that's what's important, to have something, Karen. That's what they want. They want people to have something. So put your mask back on. Where is this going? There is the solution, which probably works ish okay, and maybe it's your best bet. It's the toilet paper solution, papier toilette.
And he was smart enough to realize that he knew more about selling cars than any man on his sales force.
So you just take your toilet paper of, that you want. You take your toilet paper, get yourself a little square, little rectangle, and you just wrap it like this. You're going to put it on your nose like that, and then have the mask, put it there, like so, like that, and then put it on. So this is going to make a little barrier so that the air gets stuck under the toilet paper and doesn't go up further to hit your glasses. It's a little messy. It looks a little weird. It's like, why do you have toilet paper on your face? But it's better than putting tape under your eyes. So just always carry a little bit of toilet paper with you and put toilet paper on your face. Yeah, they don't really have good solutions for people with glasses, is what I'm finding. Make sure it's not used. Make sure it's clean. You don't want booger toilet paper or poo-poo doo-doo toilet paper on your face. Wow. How did we get here? What color is your mask? The plan is to post 2 times a week, Monday and Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see. Again, we'll see. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. And do something to the bell. Tap it. Turn on those post notifications so you can get a notification whenever I post a new video. Visit my website, Prillen.com, where you can see my store, my merch, my clothing, my music, my blog, and all of that good stuff and more. And until next time, take a little time to make art and be brilliant. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye. Doo-doo on your face. Just put that mask back on, Karen. Just put it back on. Just put it back on. I am confusion.